Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use a class notebook on the iPad. Start by clicking on the Teams app. Find the class you want to use. Then in the top right corner, click More and click on Class Notebook. This will direct you to the App Store where you will need to download the OneNote app, which is free to download. Once this is downloaded, click Open, click Get Started, click OK and then select Allow. This will allow you to get notifications. Now go back into the Teams app, go back to the class, click on More and Class Notebook again. This time it will open up in the new app. On the left you will see all of your classes. We're going to use Class 1. And where it says Test Account, it will say your name. Underneath this you will see all the sections that have been added by your teacher. We're going to click on Task 1. When you type at the top, this will change the page name on the left. And to start typing, just click on the screen where it will create a text box for you. To add an image, click Insert at the top and then select Online Pictures. Search for what it is you want to download. And click on the image once. If you click it more than once, you'll get it 3 times like I did here. You can pinch the screen to zoom in and out, and click on the image to get more options. By tapping on the image, I was able to delete my extra pictures. The grey dots around the image will allow you to resize it, and you should be able to click and drag to move the image around. Thank you for watching.